Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat stories not showing. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat stories not showing, you should just go to settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to this window of Snapchat story. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that, we will enter to storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.